Oh, 60 Eldorado. Is that gorgeous? Eldorado Biarritz with the original air suspension. And that's the air suspension.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. There's a lot of reasons.
Oh yeah, there's so many places they can leak.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get some of this conversation because that's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I know the check valves, as long as you're holding your air.
It's holding the air
in the system.
Air tank, in the
sphere,
air,
the bag.
What do you call it? Bellows.
Yes.
Yeah. And where the high pressure goes into the air tank on that high pressure line, it's not supposed to go back.
Correct.
It's supposed to stay in there.
How much pressure are you working with?
130 pounds. Roughly.
Oh, so it's not that much then?
No.
Okay.
So 130 pounds is roughly the system.
Yeah.
So, but those they are original valves, and the way they are threaded and all that stuff, it's not something that you can buy aftermarket. It's something that needs to be made specifically. And they are different from the rear to the front. The different
Everything's different from the front.
Yeah.
The rear to the front. Because you just have the one valve in the front.
Yeah, right. And also the valve converter that sits in the front is different. So they made that a little bit longer on the front than on the back.
That is remarkable. Now, what's in back of your compressor over there?
This here is the cruise control.
Oh, cruise control.
Yeah.
Very good.
And then this is just the
washer.
winch in the washer,
Yeah.
and that's the brakes. This is the air cleaner for three 2-barrel carburetors.
You got trips on this?
Yeah, three.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's a standard on the Eldorado 1960.
Okay,
It was
interesting.
an option on the regular cars, like the DeVilles and all those.
Right.
Yeah. And then you have the
Air compressor, of course. Yeah, they switched from the bat wing because the earlier cars had the bat wing with the two oil bath air cleaners on each side with everything down the center.
Yeah, but this is a regular air. You know, just an air.
That's
filter.
dry.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the Eldorado, I know everything's just spectacular. This is beautiful. Did you do the restoration yourself?
Yeah, I did.
Wow, this is great. I got a good video of you coming in.
Oh,
I
is
got
that right?
excited. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I got excited when I realized that it was an Eldo. It's like, oh.
Yeah, I did this. I was finished 2017. You can see my sign over there.
Let's see.
It gives you my name. And it gives you a little bit of
The
information.
390, yeah, 345. Wow, $7,400. Yay! Total production $1,285.
Yeah, so 74 was the base price.
Yeah.
Then air conditioning was an option back then.
That's right. Air conditioning in the convertible is very, very rare.
Yeah, usually they don't stick them on there.
Yeah.
And an air condition back then cost probably $600-700. So it was a lot of money extra above the car. Today, $600-700, you don't think it's too much, but if you had $600-700 to a $7,000 car,
that's 10%.
Yeah, that's 10%.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. I can't believe how straight.
No.
You got those quarters so beautifully straight. That is wonderful. You know how fussy I am, and I don't see one wave. This is just perfect. Wow. Oh my gosh.
And I took all the awards with it, so I have 4 awards. I have the first junior, first senior, grand national, and senior grand national.
Wow. This is absolutely magnificent. What a car. Wow. Where did you find her?
I purchased it from a guy that was thinking starting a restoration on it and didn't make it.
Yeah.
So that's how I got it.
That's a complicated restoration. You really have to know what you're doing.
Exactly. You need to have the facility, the knowledge, the money. It's a lot of stuff that goes into it.
Yeah.
and patient to deal with it. It's a 10-year process on this one.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And of course, finding and building, of course, even just the valves.
I purchased 2 Fleetwoods 1960 just to get the port for this car,
Wow.
so I can get what I wanted.
Yeah. You got a judge?
Oh.
Go for it. Thank you.